wow. Oh, where's my mic? Wow. Well done, Jack. Awesome stuff. Right. Louise, what do you think of Jack's song of the series?
Oh, Jack, I love that arrangement, by the way. I've not heard that version of it, and it was absolutely lovely. You do look nervous up there, and I think you look more nervous without your guitar, like you wear it as a bit of a comfort blanket. But you need to be more confident in yourself because you have got what it takes to go far in this business. You've got a gorgeous, unique voice. You've got the look that a million young girls will die for. You know, you really have got what it takes to make it in this business. So you really should have more confidence in yourself because you've got no reason to be nervous. And just that falsetto at the end, I wasn't expecting it, and then it came out and I was like, oh, you can do that as well. It was really, really lovely, honestly. So have more confidence in yourself and show us that you believe in yourself because we believe in you. All right.
Thank you.
Anya?
That is, I think, the best version I've heard of that song, only because I've heard it done so many times and it's always exactly the same. But with this, like your version, it's like almost really dark and like really, really haunting, and I could listen to it for over and over and over again because it's just so interesting what you do with it, because I've never heard anyone do what you do with this song, and it's just so very, very well put together, so very well done to you.
Kelly?
Yeah, I just closed my eyes for that. I just closed my eyes and listened to the way you sang it, and your voice has got thicker since the last time we heard you, but you've still managed to retain that vulnerability about you in your voice. And there's something about the way that you project your voice that just grips you. And you've had two amazing performances tonight. You've shown just how unique you can be because you've taken two well-known songs and you've sang them your style, and you've really, really shone. I loved the way that you went into your falsetto and then you went really down deep, because it just worked so well with that song, the way that you just made it this really sort of like dark, eerie, captivating song, and that was it was really clever and really creative, and I preferred it this time to the first time I heard you, and that was amazing. But just being able to close my eyes and hear you sing was just beautiful. Well done.
Jack, yeah, you really have had two really, really unique performances tonight. And again, like I said, to hear Back to Black done like this, I mean, the song lyrically is very dark anyway, but of course, the original Amy Winehouse is jazzed up and is funky and it makes you want to dance and everything. But to actually put what you've done with it to the lyric, I think it makes more sense, because it is dark, it is eerie, and it's just unique, and that's exactly what you do with it. Like, I know Louise did pick up, without your guitar, you do look a little bit uncomfortable, and we've talked about that before, and things like that, because we get into habits, but it does not take away from your talent. It really doesn't, because again, like Kelly's just said, if you shut your eyes and just listen to it, it's just like listening to the radio. That's how it is. So honestly, man, you should be really proud of yourself tonight. And again, this has been one hell of a long journey, this 9 months waiting for this. So just remember why you're here. Remember why you've made it to the end of this, because you're talented. Very, very talented. And you wouldn't be here if you wasn't. I'm so, so proud of you, buddy. I really am. Because I can't believe how far you've come. And again, I do believe you've had two fab performances tonight. Well done. Well done. Round of applause for Jack, guys. Well done, buddy.